Welcome to Kerala, a land of stunning landscapes and diverse beauty. Tucked away in the southwestern corner of India, Kerala is a world away from the hustle and bustle of the subcontinent's cities. Here, ancient traditions intertwine with breathtaking natural wonders to create an experience unlike any other. Today, we'll explore 6 of the most beautiful places in this enchanting state, each with its own unique charm to uncover. From the misty heights of the Western Ghats to the serene backwaters and palm-fringed beaches, Kerala offers a sensory feast for every traveler. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant culture, the intoxicating aromas of spices, and the warm hospitality of the Kerala people. So join me now as we embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Kerala a true paradise on earth. High in the Western Ghats, shrouded in mist and cloaked in emerald green, lies Munnar. This hill station is a sight to behold, a landscape dominated by rolling hills carpeted in tea plantations. The air here is cool and crisp, carrying the delicate aroma of tea leaves drying in the sun. As you wander through the plantations, the neatly pruned bushes seem to stretch endlessly, creating a mesmerizing pattern against the slopes. Munnar is a place to escape the heat, to breathe deeply, and lose yourself in the tranquility of nature. It's a place where you can truly understand why Kerala is called God's own country. Prepare to be enchanted by the tranquil beauty of Alleppey, often referred to as the Venice of the East. Here, a network of canals and waterways winds its way through a verdant landscape of paddy fields and coconut groves. The best way to experience Alleppey is aboard a traditional houseboat or ketavalam. These beautifully crafted vessels glide effortlessly along the backwaters, offering glimpses into the daily life of the local people. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the water, a sense of peace descends. The gentle lapping of the water, the rustling of palm fronds, and the chirping of crickets create a symphony of tranquility. Journey with us now to Wayanad, a landlocked paradise in the north of Kerala. Here, the Western Ghats reveal their wilder side, with dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and hidden caves waiting to be explored. Wayanad is a haven for nature lovers, home to a remarkable array of flora and fauna. Elephants roam freely, their trumpeting calls echoing through the trees. Colorful birds flit through the undergrowth, their songs adding to the symphony of the forest. Whether you choose to trek through the jungle, raft down a rushing river, or simply soak up the tranquility of a secluded waterfall, Wayanad will leave you breathless with its untamed beauty. From the lush mountains we descend to the coast, arriving at the laid-back beach town of Varkala. Here, dramatic red cliffs rise majestically from the Arabian Sea, offering breathtaking views of the coastline. Varkala is a place to relax, to feel the sand between your toes, and to soak up the sun. The beach is less crowded than some of Kerala's more famous stretches of sand, making it the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the sand, Varkala comes alive with a gentle energy. Stroll along the clifftop promenade, browse the shops selling colorful souvenirs, or simply relax at a beachside cafe and watch the world go by. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer power and beauty of Athirappilly Waterfalls, often hailed as the Niagara of India. Here, the Chalakudi River plunges over a cliff edge, cascading down in a thunderous roar. The sight of the water cascading down the rocks is truly mesmerizing. Surrounding the falls is a lush, verdant rainforest, adding to the beauty and mystique of the place. The air is thick with the sound of rushing water and alive with the calls of exotic birds. Athirappilly is not just a feast for the eyes, it's an immersive experience. Feel the spray of the falls on your face, breathe in the fresh, invigorating air, and let the power of nature wash over you. Our final destination takes us deep into the heart of Kerala's wilderness. Thekkady and the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. This protected reserve is a haven for wildlife, home to a thriving population of tigers, elephants, and other incredible creatures. Embark on a thrilling jeep safari, or a peaceful bamboo rafting trip on Periyar Lake for the chance to spot elephants in their natural habitat. The sight of these majestic animals lumbering through the forest is a memory you will treasure forever. Thekkady is a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural world, a place where you can witness the delicate balance of nature firsthand. From the misty mountains to the tranquil backwaters, from the vibrant cities to the pristine beaches, Kerala offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've left. We've journeyed together through just a handful of Kerala's most beautiful destinations, but there's so much more to discover. Whether you're into hills, beaches, backwaters, or forests, Kerala has something to offer for every kind of traveler. The people of Kerala, known for their warmth and hospitality, are waiting to welcome you with open arms. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Kerala adventure today. Which one will you explore next? Let us know in the comments.